Hello and welcome to Your Portuguese. Everyone makes mistakes, and it's normal that when a person makes a mistake, hurts someone and regrets it, he will wish to say he is sorry to keep his relationship with that person. But would you know how to do it in the Portuguese language? If not, don't worry, we are here to help you. There are two main ways that a person may say he is sorry in Portuguese. The first is me desculpa, me desculpa, me desculpe, me desculpe. The object pronoun me indicates that a person is asking another to forgive him. Me is the object pronoun for eu or I in English, and desculpar is a verb that means to forgive. You conjugate as desculpa for the personal pronoun tu, which means you, but it is more informal than você, and desculpe for você. And the second is eu sinto muito. Eu sinto muito, which in English would be I feel so much. In Portuguese, you usually do not need to emphasize the subject pronoun, since sometimes the inflection of the verb already tells who is speaking. Let's see some examples. Eu sei que eu errei, me desculpa. Eu sei que eu errei, me desculpa. I know that I have made a mistake, I am sorry, or forgive me. Eu sinto muito pelo que eu fiz. Eu sinto muito pelo que eu fiz. I feel so much for what I have done. Easy, right? Now you already may ask someone to forgive you in the case of you have made a mistake that has hurt someone who speaks Portuguese. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and bye bye for now. If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.